creating the face. So we are doing the two character for body and we can creating the two character for face. Okay, so let's start. So this character's face is like a very amazing. Okay, so the basic shape of the character shape is like this. Okay, circle. This is a basic shape. See this face, this making the basic shape like this. Is that difficult or easy? Easy, right? Isn't it? So now after this shapes, we are creating the basic shapes. I just want to show you the basic shape like this. Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Tell me. Yes, Srinanda. Madam, tell me.
Sir, I'm going to. I have an appointment with the doctor.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why she's joining in little bit early.
No problem. No problem at all. Okay, we'll start class 11:45. I can take care, ma'am. No problem. So the basic shape is like this. Okay.
Sir, we also have to put marker.
You can using marker. I show the basic shape first. Okay, there's the basic shapes. Yes, beta. You need to draw this one. Okay, the basic shapes I show, and from this basic shapes we are creating the character here. Okay, and this character I taking from the movie called the I forgot that movie's name. Oh, this is maybe Simba, something like that movie name. So see the basic shapes first I draw.
Sinbad.
Like this. No, this is. So these are basic shapes and creating the. Hi Srinanda, beta, wait few minutes. Okay, we are starting 11:45. So this is the basic shape is done. So now whatever this is the what I do. So this is first I create the character here. One eyes, two eyes. Okay. So they see the eyes over here like this. So first make the basic shapes, okay? And thus creating the character like this. Okay, like this. And now after that I creating this eyes. Okay? Eyeball. Like this. Okay? And I creating the here one line, and that is I use this line I creating this eyebrow.
Sir, can you wake up?
Yes, yeah. Try to little fast because we have a go to the next class. Okay, just sketch, make it the sketching. Okay, this is the eye with the basic shapes. Okay. Now I make this nose with expression. So I am showing this very amazing characters concepts. Okay, next few days you are very clear about the animations, how they're creating this animation. Okay, even I want to share the animation also in this class, so you are getting idea this how to creating the characters and make the animation. Okay.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you guys are amazing concept artists. So how your character animated, that's also I want to show you in class. So don't worry. We are making the hairstyle. Good morning. Yeah. We'll start class 11:45, so be ready for that. See, this is the character's concept. The hairstyle is like this. Okay, like this. We are making the shading over here, like this. The basic shape is like this. Okay, after this, mind it, the basic shapes you should maintain the basic shape. Okay. Just like this. We are creating here. So eyes line, nose line. I can creating here the ear in middle. Like this. Good morning, kids. Just wait a minute more. 3 minutes.
Sir,
Yes.
why did we use an arrow?
This arrow because this shape to this shapes I creating, beta. I creating this character, one animation movie character, Simbad or something like that. What call this, Samnavi? This character you tell? Okay. This is the character. Okay. We can make it a little darker. So this kind of drawing you can learn only from the animations movie or animations from Disney. I'm working at Disney by Zoo, so I creating this amazing characters for you guys to understand that how to create this amazing character design. Okay, this is the neck. Okay, this is famous movie Simbad. Okay, so basic shape this, but we are creating this amazing character for. Okay,
Sir, do we have to draw this?
no beta, your class start from next 1 minute. Okay, this is senior class going on. Just wait 2 minutes, beta. Okay, you are so sweet, all of you. Okay, so I guess you guys are understand now what I want to say. This Samnavi, all those.
What is this character, sir?
This is character, beta. It's called that. The movie. I hope the Simba something.
Can you see how is
Uh,
it?
yes, is also.
Shambhavi, is it good?
Yeah.
So I'm Shambhavi, is it
Yes,
good?
maybe just one minute, beta. I just want to see. I just want change the spotlight to this thing. Okay, just 1 second. I change the skin layout spotlight to the slider. Yes. Now can you show, beta? Can you show? Yes, Samnavi, this fantastic job. Yeah, this is good one. Yeah.
But can you play?
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay.
Good morning, sir.